Hi friends, welcome to Lavanya Academy. Today I have to explain calculation of hybridization of given molecules. Now the question is match each of the following species with one of these hybridization schemes. How to ask the question is match the following. Now the set 1 sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d and sp3d2. In set 2, now the molecules is SF6, CS2, SnCl4, NO3 minus AsF5. These are the molecules and these are the hybridization. Now we have to calculate these molecules which is undergoing which hybridization. So we have to calculate the hybridization. Now the hybridization is calculated by the formula is hybridization equal to half of number of electrons in valence shell of central atom. It was denoted by V plus number of monovalent ions surrounding central atom, that is denoted by X, minus of charge of cation plus charge of anion. Charge of cation can be denoted by C and charge of anion is denoted by A, that equal to half of V plus X minus C plus A. This is the hybridization formula. Hybridization equal to half of number of electrons in valence shell of central atom plus number of monovalent ions surrounding atom minus charge of cation plus charge of anion. This is the hybridization formula. Simply half of V plus X minus C plus A. Now given molecules are SF6, CS2, SnCl4, NO3 minus AsF5. First we have to calculate SF6. In SF6, central atom is sulfur and the fluorine atoms are surrounding to central atoms. How many fluorine atoms are there? 6 fluorine atoms, and fluorine is the monovalent atom. That means which charge is 1. So 6. Sulfur atom, number of valence shell electrons in central atom is sulfur 6. Half of valence electrons in sulfur is 6 plus How many electrons, monovalent electrons are there? 6. So 6. Now the charge is not present, so its value is 0. So 12 by 2 equal to 6. That equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. Hybridization is 6. So now the hybridization is sp3 d2 is the SF6 hybridization. Now the second one is CS2. Carbon is the central atom. Sulfur atoms are present in the surrounding the carbon atoms, and sulfur is the divalent atom, so its value is 0. In number of electrons, valence electrons are present in carbon atom is 4, half of 4. Sulfur is the divalent atom, so it is 0. 4 by 2 equal to 2. Now 2 is coming, so sp hybridization is present in CS2. So CS2 undergoing sp hybridization. SF6 is undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. And the third one is SnCl4. In SnCl4, Sn is the central atom and chlorine is the monovalent atom. Chlorine atom, 4 chlorine atoms are surrounding in central atom Sn. So we have to calculate hybridization equal to half of number of valence electrons in Sn is 4. How many monovalent atoms are there? 4. And no charge is present, so its value is 0. 8 by 2 equal to 4. Hybridization is 4. Now the SnCl4 undergoes sp3 hybridization. So SnCl4 undergoes sp3 hybridization. Now the next one is NO3 minus ion. It attains negative charge and nitrogen is the central atom. How many valence electrons present in nitrogen atom is 5, and oxygen is the divalent atom, so its value is 0, and 1 anion is present, so half of number of valence electrons in nitrogen atom is 5 plus oxygen divalent, so its value is 0, and the anion is present, so plus 1. 6 by 2 equal to 3. Now hybridization comes 3, so it exhibits sp2 hybridization. NO3 minus ion exhibits sp2 hybridization. And the next one is AsF5. In AsF5, which is the central atom? As. So number of electrons in As atom is 5. Half of 5. Fluorine is also monovalent atom, so its value is 1. How many fluorine atoms are there? 5. No charge is present, so its value is 0. 10 by 2 equal to 5 coming. So AsF5 has hybridization value is 5, so it undergoes sp3 dehybridization, and 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 1 d orbital, 5 orbitals are overlapping to give sp3 dehybridization. So AsF5 undergoes sp3 dehybridization. This is the hybridization calculations. So it given in competitive exams like IIT, JEE Mains, and also MSET. So, in given molecules are exhibiting this type of hybridization. So, in SF6, undergoes sp3d to hybridization. sp3d to hybridization. In CS2 undergoes sp hybridization. So it is this. In SnCl4 undergoes sp3 hybridization. And NO3 minus is the sp2 hybridization. And SF5 undergoes sp3 dehybridization. This is the match the following. The hybridization formula is hybridization equal to half of number of electrons in valence shell of central atom plus number of monovalent ions surrounding central atom X, that was denoted by X, minus of charge of cation plus charge of anion. This is the hybridization formula. Thank you, friends. Are you like this type of bits? And please subscribe and share.